Presenting the KUHL Exzel H1, the stylish next-gen desert cooler. An aesthetically and uniquely designed pedestal fan that keeps your room cool with extremely fine mist without increasing its humidity. Apart from having a high air delivery with extremely low noise, it consumes almost 1/3 electricity due to its advanced energy-efficient BLDC motor. It works on a uniquely designed advanced mist technology that draws water from a 2.2-liter storage tank that is sufficient to produce pure mist to keep every corner of your room cool with fresh air for almost 7 to 8 hours. Apart from smooth oscillation and telescopic height adjustment feature, KUHL Exzel H1 also has a convenient remote operation that has fan speed and swing control, a set timer and sleep mode function. Moreover, it is portable and also enhances your room decor with its beautiful design. It's time to say goodbye to those noisy, conventional desert coolers and switch to smart next-gen KUHL Exzel H1 Desert